Welcome back to part 2. Right, so let me show you where we're at. So I've been down, I've bought some cladding, some softwood cladding from Wix's. This stuff here. Got 6 packs of that just to crack on. Obviously a cup of tea, can't do nothing without a cup of tea. So I've started, let me go from the start. The guy had the bed made up, if you remember, at the start, and he used these little ply sheets as slats, bed slats. So I've used these over the beams. Yeah, beams. I've used them over the beams because they're all different levels. I don't really know why, but they are. Some of them's got like lips on and little bits over them. So yeah, anyway, I've used them and I've started cladding. And it don't really take long once you start the cladding. Once you get all your levels and everything else, it's just, you can fly around with it. So that's what I've started doing, the cladding. The windows have been put off till next week. Apparently they're having issues with their supplier getting the windows over here, is what it is. I'm just trying to cramp as much in as possible because I'm off work this week. It's Wednesday already, so back next week, and then I'm off again the week after. So that's when I'll probably do the windows then. I've got loads of stuff come through Deliveries. I've got the split charge system to do. The leisure battery's been delivered. I've got plenty to get on with. So I'm going a bit arse about face at the moment. I'm just getting on with bits that I can until I'm waiting for certain deliveries to come. So I'll get as much cladding done as possible and go from there. So I'll crack on with the cladding and update you from there. So I'm 3 packs short. I just had to go back down to Wix's and buy another 3 packs. And then the roof, when I say the roof's done, the roof's up. Obviously I want to burn effect it and varnish it. And I'm going to do it while it's up there, but yeah, we're nearly done. For the roof anyway. Right, so I've run the cables. I didn't say that at first. I just carries on, forgets to press record and gets on with it, but cables run both sides for the lights. The cladding, I've still got to finish this side, but obviously I had to run the cables up through here before I carried on to get the cables over that side. So this is what we got at the moment. So my leisure battery's going down here, all my power's going from there. So I'm running, got LED light going over there and a 12 volt switch and a light switch going over here. So I've run my cables over, run it all back to where the leisure battery's going. I will get this roof finished today. So let me start off by saying the roof is done. Obviously it needs I want to give it the burnt effect and varnish it again because that look was beautiful last time, and it needs a little beading going all the way along the edges and along these cuts, these joints, sorry. But I'll do the beading a bit later on. I want to get quite a bit done, the bigger stuff. The plan today, it's been bugging me all night. I've been umming and ahhing about what to do, whether to do a full clad, the whole thing, both sides. But what I'm doing now is I'm going to clad down to this section there and ply all the bottoms. So I've got myself some ply and I'm going to crack on. Ply lining done, tidied it up a bit, and I boxed in the arches. That's just 6mm ply, that is, nice and cheap, easy to work with. I can start marking out a few little bits now where the bed's going and the seating areas going and everything else. So the basic bed frame is up, screwed in, solid. I've had a little idea. Now, I was going to have a seat going along here or going along there that pulled out for a bed for my boy. But I've had a little idea about doing a bed across here. So, hear me out, hear me out. So, screw that to there. And that across there. Same again that side, and having a single bed across there. That's our feet end. So we're sleeping that way. So we can have a bed there. I might put that together and see if it comes out any good. I change my plans all the time. If you watch the last series of my crafter, you'll realise I change plans all the time. Again, I'm thinking about moving the leisure battery from there to under the seat, because I didn't realise how much room I had under the seat. So I've already put the leisure battery in there, it sits in there perfect. So I might even move the electrics as well, but I'm jumping here, there and everywhere at the moment. Look at that, perfect, lovely little design. Not by me, I see it on the internet somewhere, I can't think where. But yeah, he sleeps long ways, we sleep width ways. Perfect, saves up all this room over here. It's perfect. What's left? There's loads still to do. I think I'm going to leave the bed as it is at the moment. I'm not going to touch anymore. We know where the bed is now. The base is all done. I can start doing the other seating down here, electrics, diesel heater, split charge. Still loads to do. But it's starting to rain. I've got to get the mattress in there, all the plywood back in, everything else. So I think I'm going to end part 2 now. Get everything in there. So yeah, let me know what you think about the bed design. If you haven't already, subscribe for part 3. Yeah, ready for part 3. And more importantly, be safe. Thanks for watching.